This is LeetCode question number 64, minimum path sum. This is medium level question. Let's get into it. Given a n grid filled with non-negative numbers, find the path from top left to the bottom right, which minimizes the sum of all numbers along its path. You can only move either down or right at any time, any point in time. Okay, let's check the example one. In this case, start from here. This is the goal. So maybe we can choose the path. First is here, next is here, and the another is here, further here, 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 here. And then when I traverse it, added each value. So the 7 is, I think the one that this way. 7 is this way. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the minimize the path, the minimize the sum of all numbers along its path. Okay, how we can implement the code? That's right, we can use the DFS. So we able to find all of the paths from here to here, and then use recursion. We can implement with a DFS. So each DFS we compare with and then each compare with the stored the minimum sum, and then finally return minimum sum. But unfortunately, when I implement the code, when I submit, it return timeout. So that means we needed to implement the better way. So I will introduce another way to using dynamic programming. Okay, dynamic programming approach is like this. The first is skip, and then when they arrived here, every cell will update it minimum value from start point. That means in this case 3, there are only way from the start point, only this way. So I will update this one is 4. I will update this one is 5. Because this one has only one path, right? And then this one also I updated. So now is 2, and now is 6. And then when I move here, I will choose one of them, smaller one, to minimize. So in this case, 4 to 2 is minimum, so it has value 7. And then in this case, 7 with 5, which one is smaller? 5 is smaller, so this is 6. And then now here, 7 with 6, which one is smaller? 6. 6 plus 2 and 8. And then last time we need to compare 6 with 8, which is smaller? 6. So final value is 7. To implement this, we just scan only one time. So time complexity is linear, will be linear time, and I will not use any extra data structure. So space complexity is constant. Okay, let's implement the code. Okay, first I will scan all item in grid for now in range length grid. And for column in range length grid 0. And then first, if it is the start point, now I will skip. And as if allow is 0, means if we calculate this area, and grid, row and column must be plus grid row and column minus 1. And if column is 0, the same way grid row and column grid row minus 1 with column. Otherwise, grid row and column will choose minimum value of this one with this one. And then after finish scan, I will return final value here is grid minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, let's check the code. Okay, looks good. Okay, as I mentioned, it takes linear time with constant space. Thank you.